Statue of Liberty, Oklahoma City. The Statue of Liberty replica in Oklahoma City is installed outside the Oklahoma County Courthouse near the intersection of Park and Hudson in the U.S. state of Oklahoma. It was made as part of the Strengthen the Arm of Liberty campaign. Background: the statue was dedicated in 1950 as one of approximately 200 replicas installed throughout the United States to commemorate the 40th anniversary of the establishment of Boy Scouts of America. It was surveyed as part of the Smithsonian Institution's Save Outdoor Sculpture program in 1994. The replica of the Statue of Liberty enlightening the world is an allegorical representation of liberty. The female figure is shown wearing a crown and robes, and holding a torch and a book or tablet. The metal sculpture measures approximately 7 feet 4 in, x 1 foot 10 in, x 1 foot 10 in, and rests on a pedestal and octagonal concrete base that measures approximately 5 feet 4 in, x 3 foot 2 in, x 2 foot 8 in. A plaque on the base has the inscription, "With the faith and courage of / their forefathers who made / possible the freedom of these / United States / the Boy Scouts of America / dedicate this replica of the / Statue of Liberty as a pledge / of everlasting." There.